I'm going to show you how I make my all natural, chemical-free mosquito repellent that works like a charm. I've been using this for years and years and years. I just started making this for me and my family, and this is what we use because we live in mosquito country. And this enables us to go outside, enjoy the outdoors, mow our lawn, and do stuff without having to worry about mosquito biting us. So let's make this. I'll show you how to make it. So I saw 2 mosquitoes outside, one inside my car, one on my door when I was coming inside. And I'm like, what? The mosquitoes are out already? I can't believe it. It's not even complete spring yet, but those mosquitoes are out. So I have to make my mosquito repellent for them. I'm ready. So the first thing, let me show you the ingredients, what I'm using, explain it to you before we start making the actual thing. So the first thing I'm using is grapeseed oil. The next thing is castor oil. I have my 2 empty bottles, one for my car and one for at home for when I travel. The next thing I'm using is orange essential oil. Then I am using peppermint essential oil. If you don't have peppermint, you can use eucalyptus. Then I just have another bottle of peppermint. I have 2 because that one has a little bit and that one has a lot more. So it's the same peppermint. Then I am using citronella oil. Okay. And the last oil I'm using is cedarwood. They just hate cedarwood. Cedarwood and peppermint, they hate the smell, so I use that. So these are all I'm going to be putting. I'm going to recap these 2 oils. 1, 2, 3, and 3 essential oils. Now, I'm using 3 essential oils because I find that works best for me. If you want to add any more essential oils, like I have like frankincense, patchouli, all those work. I made a whole mixture of all of those and it works really well. Sandalwood is good too. You can put any of these oils that you want, right? Cypress, you can put any of those oils because they don't like the smell. So, but I'm just showing you these ones because just in case you don't have the money to buy all these oils, okay? But any one of those oils you can be used. But these oils are the 3 essential oils that I use mainly in mine and it works very, very well. The reason that you want to put castor oil is thick, right? And viscous. So it's going to stay on your hand longer. If you only put this oil, it's thinner and it's going to absorb faster, right? But when you add castor oil, it makes the oil thicker so it stays on top of your hand longer and then the scent stays on you for longer. So remember, you have to put a thick oil like castor oil on it, okay? If you just put this oil only, the grapeseed oil, it's not going to last as long, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, that's it. But if you put castor oil, you could have that on you all day long and you'll be completely fine. So let me put that aside. You can also add geranium if you want. Geranium is the next one you could add to it. Okay, so I'm just giving you some options of the different oils that you can add, but these are the ones that I am putting in mine. Then you're gonna need a container or some kind of jug or some kind of thing to do yours. I am just using this beaker, all right, to mix mine up. Now I'm making 8 ounces because these jars are both 4 ounces. So I'm going to make in 8 ounces. So let's make it. So the first thing I'm going to put in is my castor oil. And I want a good amount of castor oil because I want that oil to be thick. Okay. Now I'm not really skimping on the castor oil at all because I have a lot of castor oil. So it's no big deal. But I'm putting in castor oil. And then I'm going to fill it up with grapeseed oil until it gets to about 4 ounces. Yeah. Okay, there, you got it. So you want to put it like this. See, the oil is very thick. I'm gonna add a little bit more castor oil just to make it a little bit thicker. Okay. All right. The castor oil is very sticky. Then I am going to go in with my citronella oil. I am going to put 25 drops of citronella oil in there. Okay, 25 drops of citronella oil in there. Then I am going to put 15 drops of that orange essential oil. 15 drops of that. And then I am going to put 15 drops of cedarwood. It's not dropping. Oh, no, it's dropping. Okay, so you're going to put 15 drops of cedarwood. Then I am going to put 10 drops of peppermint, just 10. Okay, and you do not want to put too much peppermint because the oil becomes very hot. It becomes heated on your skin. Okay, it's just the same peppermint oil that's here. So, and that's basically it. Okay, I'm going to give that a good stir. I'm just using a wooden skewer here, and you give it a good stir like this. I'm giving it a smell. It smells good. And then you want to put it inside your jar. Make sure you label your jar. I have my label right here. I'm going to write on it because you want to make sure you know what's inside of it. So I'm going to write on it. Okay, mosquito repellent. And now you just want to fill up your jar, both jars, with your mosquito repellent. And one stays in my car, and the other one I keep at home just in case somebody wants to take it with them if they're going outdoors. But if I'm outdoors and I'm going in the forest and I'm traveling in my vehicle, because I tend to stop sometimes and film things, then I just have one in my car and I don't have to worry about it. And we have a special spot in our house right next to our vitamins. That's how we keep this. And that's basically that. So as you guys see, exactly, oops, I'm making a little mess there. Let's clean that up. Eight ounces. Let's add the rest to it. And it's easy and simple as this. Look at that. 2 bottles of mosquito repellent, and you have it for mosquito season. So that's it, guys. It's very simple, very easy, and you're ready to go. And I'm not going to use it right away. I usually leave it to sit for a week, and after a week, I think the essential oils are well infused in the oil, and it makes it smell strong. Well, it's already smelling strong right now, but I just leave it to sit for a week and then I start using it. Now you can use a variety of oils in your mosquito repellent, but the ones that I tell you, they work perfectly. But again, you can do trial and error and see which works good for you and which doesn't. But as for me, this mixture works excellent. You can also add essential oils to make yours stronger if you have a lot of mosquitoes, or if you're traveling in an area where you have ticks. So when I am traveling in an area where I have ticks, I make a different one. And if you guys want me to show you all the one that I make, I'll come back and make it for you all. I make a tick repellent spray. So I'll show you guys that. Just comment in the bottom, tick repellent spray, and I'll make it. So you all, as I was saying, I leave this to infuse for 1 week, and after 1 week, I start using it. That's how I do it. And it works like a charm. All you have to do is put a little bit. Let me demonstrate for you guys, okay? Put a little bit on your hand like this. Okay? And I rub the back of my neck, because the mosquitoes, they love to go in the back of your neck. I like to rub my chest and my ears. And then anywhere that exposed that mosquitoes like, I just do that, okay? And this smells amazing. It smells really, really good. Like the cedar wood smell is just so intoxicating, but a nice aroma. And you have to put the exact amount, like I tell you. It just gives it the right smell, and it's not overpowering. So that's exactly what you want. And then I just store that in my cupboard, and like I said, put wherever you want. You could make more in small bottles, and then you can put it in your purse. And this, it stays on you. It stays on, like it stays on, and mosquitoes, they just don't bite. And you know, we live out in the countryside, and we really need this mosquito repellent. So I've been using that for years, and it works like a champ. So I hope you guys go out there and you make it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, my loves.